The Indian smartphone maker Lava launched its new affordable 5G phone called Lava Yuva 5G. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Lava Yuva 5G features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch cutout at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top center that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens. Under the hood, the Lava Yuva 5G comes powered by Uni SoC T750 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.36 by 76.16 by 9.1 mm, and it weighs around 208 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Lava Yuva 5G has been priced for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 9,499 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 9,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale starting from June 5th, in Mystic Blue and Mystic Green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Lava Yuva 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.